Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send money on PayPal. So this is pretty easy. Let's just begin. First, open your PayPal application, sign into your account on your device, and once you do, you can see we have the send button at the bottom left side of our screen. That should be popping there, and then click on access contacts. Make sure that you have the person added as your contact onto PayPal. Choose your amount that you want to send. Let's just say $10 in our case, and I'm going to be clicking on to next. Once you do that, you will be able to see that if you have friends and family, you can choose the reason why you are sharing your balance and click on next, and boom, that's literally it is going to be showing you the transaction fees, and that wraps up our process. And yeah, so that's pretty easy step on how you can send money on PayPal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.